Hello, bonjour, good day. How are you, my little angels? I hope you're okay. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu Learning Simplified. We have done addition, we've done the vocabulary of addition, we've done the word problems, the number line, counting on, adding doubles. Now we are here. We want to do the addition pattern. What is a pattern? If someone enters this class and asks you, what is a pattern? We said rule number 1, pattern must be the same. We don't make a dot, then you come make a line, then you come make another something else, then you come and no, this is not a pattern. If a pattern, we're talking about a triangle, a circle, a square. The pattern should just be a triangle, a circle, a square. So when you talk about a pattern, it is something that is the same and it's repeated in every group. A triangle, a circle, a square. A triangle, a circle, a square. Now, when you talk about addition of patterns, addition patterns, what are these? For example, a pattern, if I decide to add my numbers with the 2, 2, 2, 2, I have been given here 16. Then I'm asked, the next one is 18. Then the next one is 20, then the next one is 22, and I'm told find the next number. What will happen? First of all, I will ask myself, I must identify how many numbers are they skipping. So from 16, when I say 18, take away 16, I'll count backward 18, count backward, I'll find that the missing number here is, they have added 2 to get this. So if my pattern goes like that, I'll say 16 plus 2 should give me 18. Then I take 18, I add to 2, I get a 20. Then a 20 plus 2, I get a 22. So what is 22 plus 2? My pattern is flowing like that. So I'll say 22 in the head, 2 fingers out. So I'll say 22, 23, 24, and I'll have filled in my missing number here is 24. What if the number appears like this? Fill in the missing numbers. Count on. From 13, we continue 13, 14, 15, 16. So we realize that in between here, they added a 3. Then I go 16, 17, 18, 19. They also added a 3. Then 19, 20, 21, 22. They also added a 3. So when I'm asked, which one will be my next number? I'll still do the same. Plus 3 should give me 16. Then I take the 16, I add 3, I get the 19. The 19, I add 3, I get the 22. Now 22 plus 3 should give me what? 22, 23, 24, 25. So 22 plus 3 gives me a 25. So my missing number is 25. So you can repeat that with different numbers, depending on what exactly you want. But before that, when you go home today, I have 3 questions for you. Fill in the missing numbers. I have 73, 74, 75, 76. Then you fill in the missing numbers. The second number says 38, 39, 38, then you go to 40, then 42, 44. Then the third question talks about 54, 56, 58. Fill in the missing numbers. So go home with this and tell your guardians to assist you in doing the number pattern. We have done number patterns, and this is not the first time. We have done it several times. We've counted in 2s, in 1s, And now we are doing it as a pattern. Any question? Any problem? Wow, nice. So remember to copy your homework so that the first thing we meet tomorrow morning, we are starting with this homework. Have a lovely evening.